Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how to use CHAT GPT in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Access OpenAI's CHAT GPT interface. Go to the OpenAI website and navigate to the CHAT GPT interface. You can access it directly through this link, OpenAI CHAT GPT. Once you're on the page, you'll see a text input box where you can start typing your messages. Step 2. Enter your prompt. Think of a topic or a question you want to discuss or inquire about. Type your prompt or question into the text input box. Make sure to provide clear and concise input to receive relevant responses from CHAT GPT. Step 3. Receive response from CHAT GPT. After entering your prompt, press the Enter key or click the Submit button. CHAT GPT will then process your input and generate a response based on its understanding of the prompt and the vast knowledge it has been trained on. You'll see the response appear in the conversation window. Step 4. Continue the conversation. Read the response generated by CHAT GPT and decide how you want to proceed with the conversation. You can ask follow-up questions, request more information, or provide feedback on the response. Keep the conversation going by entering your next prompt into the text input box. Step 5. Explore and experiment. Experiment with different prompts and questions to explore the capabilities of CHAT GPT further. You can discuss various topics, seek advice, or even engage in creative storytelling. Take advantage of CHAT GPT's ability to generate diverse and contextually relevant responses to enrich your conversations. By following these steps, you can effectively use CHAT GPT to engage in meaningful conversations, seek information, or simply enjoy interacting with a powerful AI language model.